know I keep the window open, just in case the breeze bring your memory back to me. But I can't see you tonight. The night feels heavy with your name. Every star I see still burns the same. Your laughter lingers in the air I breathe. Your shadow dances where you used to be. I touched the pillow where your heart once lay, and felt the warmth you left that day. The moon looks lonely without your smile. I whisper your name just to stay a while. Can't see you tonight, though I ache to hold you. Can't reach your touch, though my dreams still told you. Every sigh is a quiet prayer, every tear a promise hanging there. Can't see you tonight, but my soul still calls through empty rooms and midnight walls. Oh, can't see you tonight, my sweet, my light. I'm lost in the echo of your love tonight. Your voice still hums inside my chest, soft and warm where my heart finds rest. The candle flickers slow and deep. Your memory hums me into sleep. I wear your kiss like perfume's trace, invisible love on my skin's embrace. Yes. I wait for the hour when dreams unfold and your eyes return, gentle and bold. Can't see you tonight, though I ache to hold you. Can't reach your touch, though my dreams still told you. Every sigh is a quiet prayer, every tear a promise hanging there. Can't see you tonight, my heart, my flame, but every whisper still says your name. Oh, can't see you tonight, my sweet, my light. I'm lost in the shadow of our love tonight. If love were wine, you'd feel me near, breathing warmth behind your ear. If love was sea, you'd taste my soul in every tide that makes you whole. If love were time, you'd never fade, just stay forever where hearts are made. So close your eyes and let me be that silent touch in your memory. Can't see you tonight, but I'm still yours, waiting where the starlight pours. My hands are empty, but my heart's still true.